Nnewi is known as the Japan of Africa because, just like Japan, Nnewi is an automobile hub in Anambra State. Another reason why Nnewi is referred to as the Japan of Africa is because of the industrialized nature of the city. Today, we are going to talk about the top 5 industries we have in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. At number 5, we have Tummy Tummy Foods. Tummy Tummy Foods is the company that produces Tummy Tummy noodles. Tummy Tummy noodles is among the most popular noodles in Nigeria. Their noodles have different flavors and packages. They are also the people that produce event table water. Tummy Tummy Noodles factory is located at Akwuru Industrial Estate, Umudim, Nnewi, Anambra State. Their workforce is around 1,000 people. At number 4 is CTIC PLC. CTIC PLC is the company that produces CTIC cables and wires. CTIC cables have been rated several times as the best cable in Africa by standard organizations. Their factory is located at Umuanukotolo Nnewi in Anambra State. CTIC PLC was established in the year 1981, and in their over 40 years of existence, their products have always been synonymous with quality and standards. That is why CTIC cables and wires are recommended by experts. Few years ago, CTIC PLC acquired Switch, a company that produces switch gears in Nnewi. One of the things that make CTIC PLC to be outstanding is that the company is listed in Nigeria Stock Exchange. At number 3 is Igboland Group of Companies. Igboland Group of Companies was established in the 1970s. In their years of existence, they have ventured into the production of so many products like automotive parts, cement, engine oil, battery, etc. The journey of Igboland Group of Companies is full of ups and downs, as they have faced so many challenges in the Nigerian business environment. Igboland Group, we are the producers of Union Battery, the best locally manufactured battery in Nigeria. They are also into hospitality and oil and gas. At number 2 is Innocent Vehicles. Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Company in Nnewi was established in the year 2008, and they started production of vehicles in the year 2010. The company was established by Chief Innocent Chukwuma Ifediason Nnewi. Ever since the establishment of Innocent Vehicles Manufacturing Company in Nnewi, There has never been a better last year. Innocent Vehicles keep moving from strength to strength, introducing new models each year. Innocent Vehicles also keep expanding and moving from manual to automated production. At Innocent Vehicles, 70% of their raw materials and vehicle parts are locally sourced and produced. Innocent Vehicles are the first truly made in African vehicle brand, and they keep making efforts to keep satisfying their African market. At number 1 is Chissing Group of companies. Chissing Group of companies in Nnewi Anambra State is the largest indigenous conglomerate in southeastern Nigeria. They are also the highest employer of labor in Anambra State after Anambra State government. They have a workforce of around 7,000 people across all their sections. Chissing Group have range of products from engine oil, lubricants, vegetable oil, soup, plastic, PVC, animal feeds, etc. They also have a recycling plant in Nnewi. So you have seen the top 5 industries we have in Nnewi Anambra State, the Japan of Africa. What do you have to say about these industries? Drop your comments in the comment section.